Hello! Suplado. Hindi lumilingon. Talaga?
Nakaabang kasi. Ganun.
Hello, baby girl! Oh, mag-swimming ka na naman. Cute siya ha, in fairness. It's not so big, pero maganda siya. It looks clean and fresh. Clean and fresh. We have the view of the main entrance pala. I love it. Kasi maaraw pa rin yung area natin. This is the, I think, superior king bed. Ano ba to? I'm not sure kung anong klaseng room tong nabook ko. Ito yung complimentary dun sa membership. So, there you go. Hello, baby girl. I love you. Huwag mo kunin yung phone. Mommy.
Hindi mo kinawa yung map.
Oh my goodness, the bathroom deserves a separate video clip. Ang ganda niya, I love it. It's very, very high-end. May separate yung toilet area and shower area and may bathtub. The sink is very wide. I love it. Sobrang maraming patungan ng toiletries. I love that. Bathrobes, of course. Meron tayong towels. This is my check-in OOTD. My jewels.
Dito.
Hindi ko alam na meron palang ganitong section sa baba pa ng ground floor. Kasi wala siyang elevator access hagdan lang. Kaya hindi siya masyadong visible. Thank you, Mom. Yeah. Ah, sweet. Sabi niya, ilubog niyo na ako sa pool. I love you. Ay, ang baby girl namin. May kagat na. Hindi aesthetic. love this pagbalik namin ng room. My God, may ice bucket dahil meron kaming tumblers. But we didn't ask. Mahilig kami sa yelo. I love it.
Tapos meron din ganun.
Ano yun? Aba, oo nga, no? So cute! Ano pa, Mas? Ang ipapakita natin. Oo nga, inayos na rin
Inayos
nila.
na para hindi na kami maghilahan.
And may water on both sides. And then, biglang may ganito na.
May slipper.
May turn down service sila. I love it. O diba, ginawa na namin talagang pushcart ang stroller ng anak namin. Naomi! Sobrang amazing ng kanilang switches. May radio and then TV, channel volume. I love it so much. And then when we go here, master switch, foyer light. No need to call them na, di ba? Upon check-out for baggage assistance. And hindi na sila yung mga signages sa door na privacy or makeup room. Andito na, pipindutin mo na lang yung selection mo. Meron ding outdoor temperature, my goodness. I love it. For Jundok at sa swirling water. Diba guys, di niya ako sinasagot.
yung dessert chocolate na binigay sa atin.
Tingnan. Try. Inalis mo naman lahat ng money.
Isa lang, ito lang eh.
Bawal kasi siya sa nuts.
Iniiwasan lang, hindi pa.
So yummy.
Wow.
All this food and I can't have any, sabi ni Naomi.
So, I will hila this. No, you
Hindi
can't.
pwede. Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, baby girl. Ay. Video to.